What is up, you guys? My name is Dimitri Jackson. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, yes, I know, your perm. A lot of people are asking me questions about how this, how that, so that's why I'm making these videos for you guys. So I'm gonna be talking about my hair, what I got on my hair. I'll be talking about that today. And they did a pretty good job to my hair. I like it. Where I go, it's in Norwalk. And I go to two. But one of them is always packed. And I need to get a haircut ASAP. So the one I go to is Barbers of Norwalk. And usually you have to set an appointment or you can walk in. But I will go there. I would go there because it's really good. That's where they did my hair. And the second one I would go is Flawless Barbershop. They're both on Norwalk, and they do pretty good. Like, the people that do your hair, like, they take their time, and like that shit's good. Like, if you want them to like do something like a picture or like anything, just show them a picture like how you want it, they can do it. So I'm gonna be talking about my hair, what I got on my hair. So obviously, you know, I got a perm. I still need this part right here, but I'm gonna go get it done again, but I'm not right now because I ain't trying to waste money right now. It's like Christmas and stuff. But this is like the haircut I got right here. So when I went in, I told him, hey, it's got a perm. I don't know what to get. And I think the dude had a perm, but he had like curly hair. Oh no, his hair was natural. He's like, for sure, I got you. I told him that I wanted to get like a lineup, and like I have a widow's peak right here, but I just told him like just give me that lineup, even though my hair's gonna cover it. Like, just do whatever you recommend, just fix my sides, blend my hair. I don't want to look like a mushroom. It was like only 20 bucks too. And so like he did this, and honestly that's just pretty good. I'm gonna go again. I have his number if you guys want to go. Like I said before, it's Barbershops of Norwalk. His name is Nato. Just make an appointment with him, and he also does house calls too. So what they did on my hair was, like I said again, they did a fade. I think he said he did a bald fade. I don't remember what he did, but he did a type of fade. But like, let me just show you how that shit looks good. Like, that shit looks clean. Like, just look at that. Just look at that. Like, I had to wait 2 hours. So I came, or 3 hours. So I came at 2, and I was the last one to be attended, but I didn't care. When I left, it was 6 o'clock, but this person did a good ass job. Oh no, this person did a good job. Like, I even tipped them, like, I tipped him 50 bucks because this person did a good ass job. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, when you get a haircut, you get a nice haircut. Like, your hair talks a lot about you. You know what I mean? Like, it makes you look better. And before, I had this all with hair, but people have complimented my hair, and like, I like that. My hair actually makes me feel confident too, and the haircut is good too. Like, it's like so good. It took like 2 hours. I'm gonna say it took like 2 hours. He took his time. He didn't cut anything on the top. I said leave it as it is. And like I said before, the reason why he left this extra hair right here is because like he said to go get it done again, like curled and stuff. And he said like, cause he didn't want to cut it, cause he said that it would be like that. So he wanted to be like that, and that's what we did. So he was cutting my hair, he did my fade, and like, I wish I had pictures, and if I do have pictures, they'll be posted here. But if I'm not, I'm sorry. I'll tell him, I'm gonna text him, tell him, because he took before after pictures, so I'll show you guys. But I mean, those 2 hours were worth it, because you know when people cut your hair and it's like, it doesn't grow like bad. I don't know how to explain it. Like, when people have bad hands and they're barbers, but like sometimes your hair just goes like out of control, and then those people that have like natural, like god hands, like your hair like gets nice. But so what I did in my haircut was I just got a lineup. I was like do whatever makes you comfortable, like whatever you recommend. He did like a skin fade or like a bald fade. I don't know if you can see the back, but he did that in the back. He like did a good ass job. That's why I like it. That's what happened to my hair. And honestly, you don't really have to get a fade, but like you can leave your hair like short. You don't have to like do what we're doing, you know what I mean? You just make everything feel comfortable. I feel comfortable like this. I don't really like having hair in the back. I don't really like having like hair on my edges either. So that makes it like really good. Next time I go, I'll vlog it. Just look at that. Just look at that. Like I haven't been this satisfied in a while when I've gotten haircuts, especially with like a new perm and stuff. Like I got a perm the day after I got my haircut, and honestly, like that shit looks fire. But line up, check. Fade, check. Other side, fade, check. Don't mind this, check. The back is good, check. But yeah, honestly, it just depends on the barber. Go to a barber. Like, don't be like cheap and go to like the Mexican ones, or like not the Mexican ones, but like, you know what I'm talking about, those ones that your mom takes you. My mom used to take me on those, I remember. But I mean, she's the one that got my hair cut out. Since I make money, I go where I want to. But don't like, if you just spend 20 bucks, I mean, would you rather get a nice haircut and not get complimented, or get a fucked up haircut and then people like, damn, they fucked up your hair bad? But honestly, like, this person did a good job. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for like blessing you. Thanks. Thank you very much. If you have any questions about other stuff, I'll be answering them. I hope you guys got to the end of the video. Hope you guys give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you subscribe down below. That would mean a lot to me. And we'll be back with another video. And I'll see you guys soon.